Hello, Reagan here. Okay, today I'm making some tiny books. If you want to pause real quick, this is the list of all of the supplies that you'll need. Or you can just follow along the video and you'll get a look there. I got these at Dollar Tree in the, they sell them to use for like Cricut or whatever. They're like thin faux leather sheets and they're amazing. I got some nippers and of course my Ulfa knife. This thing has been my trusty best friend. I usually buy like those kind of disposable ones, but I go through the bodies really fast, not so much the blades. So I finally upgraded and got something that was less disposable. And I don't know if you can hear in the background, but there's a lot of planes flying right now. It's really loud here, so I apologize if that picks up in my microphone. Anyway, so what I'm doing basically is I'm choosing the depth of my book, the width of my book, like how deep it's going to sit into the bookshelf. And I'm cutting strips that size. And then I'm taking strips of faux leather a little bit more than twice that size, so it has enough room to fold over. And also I like when it leaves like a little bit of a gap in the back because it looks more like a book that way. I was also thinking, since I have a Cricut and I have like the embossing tools or whatever, I could make some little like embossing lines and stuff on the back and make them look a little fancier. You could also like use like little specks of gold leaf or whatever, or like a metallic marker or, you know, whatever. But I kept it pretty basic for these because I'm just making a whole bunch to use for something that I'm working on slowly and surely. I'll eventually be sharing with the world. But I use some Alien's tacky glue, which I put in a smaller bottle that's softer and easier to squeeze because I've been a little under the weather lately and I just have like no strength at all. So just taking it easy on myself and finding shortcuts so that you know, I can take it easy. Anyway, but after I get everything glued on and it dried really well, I trimmed off the excess on the open side so that there's not like hangover or whatever. And once that's all trimmed down, I will take my nippers here and cut. First I cut off that little free edge of wood that was on the end. And then I choose the length of book that I want. And this is a very forgiving craft. Like, you can adjust the size as much as you want. You can make tall books, short books. You can make any size you want. You can adjust the depth or whatever, you know, based on what scale you're looking for. So there's a lot of leeway here to get this done. And I don't know, I just think that they're really cool and they're just the cutest little books. They look really good on a shelf and they blend in really well with things. So there you have it. See you next time.